What's up? Oh, that's weak. That's weak. That's weak. I can't clap, bro. I can't clap. What is up, Squatch family? Welcome in to this quick video. What am I doing? What am I doing with my hands? I've had too much coffee already. What is up, Squatch family? That's you. Yes, you're the Squatch family. Welcome into this quick update video. So, the people that actually do watch my videos are probably wondering, where the hell have you been? You were doing so good. You were doing like a vlog a week, and then all of a sudden, it's been literal. Because the reason I haven't been uploading is because my computer decided it was going to take a shit on me. Completely fried. Okay, that was my first custom built computer. Did lots of videos, lots of stuff on there. It was a great computer, but I guess it was time to retire. The motherboard absolutely just, it's what I'm guessing took on me. I had to rebuild a new computer. It's kind of a mess right here right now. But I had to rebuild a new computer. Okay? I got all the parts. I did really good. I got all the parts. Put it all together. Had some trial and error, of course, but I got it all figured out. Put the CPU cooler on. The CPU cooler doesn't fit the new motherboard. And Corsair, the company that the CPU cooler's from, didn't have the bright idea to put that bracket for, they had brackets for everything else, but they didn't put the bracket for that CPU cooler. Why? I don't know. I don't know. So this is all nerd talk for a minute, by the way. What I had to do and what's taking so long, because I've had this computer for about a month now, and I haven't even been able to use it because of the CPU cooler. Without a CPU cooler, CPU gets so hot that it causes the computer just to shut off. And we don't want that because it gets up past 100 degrees, okay? I had to order the bracket, okay? They're like little metal pieces like this. Corsair put a bunch of different kinds in there. They put a bunch of different kinds in there, but they didn't put the one that fits my motherboard. So I had to go on eBay, okay? I had to go on eBay, and I had to get a new one. What is that on my face? Is that just my face? It's just my face. No, now I'm going to turn red. Now I'm going to turn red. I thought I had dry tears on my face. Anyways, now my skin's red because I tried to wipe it off because I'm sensitive. Anyways, so I had to go on eBay, find a bracket that fits that CPU cooler, that fits that motherboard. And guess where it's coming from? My favorite place for mail to come from. China. Because you know why it's my favorite place for mail to come from? Because it takes forever. Okay? It takes forever. And this absolutely is taking forever. It's taking like a month to get here. And it's supposed to be here today, so we'll see. There might be some vlogs coming your way after I upload this video. But there's stuff that I'm going to do, stuff that I have done, and I want to put it on my vlog because that's what I do. I haven't been able to, and it's really driving me crazy. So, minus the nerd talk, my computer fried, I'm waiting on a part for the new one, and it's taking forever. Videos are coming, okay? Here's what we got going on, okay? I still have vlog footage from last month, like tons of it. We have like a few vlogs to catch up on, which will probably all come out in like a week span time, just so you guys could catch up. We have me and wifey are going to Mexico. We're going to Cabo San Lucas, okay? I want to vlog that. And that's like next week. Next week, February 23rd, we're going to Cabo San Lucas. Then, I come back from Cabo San Lucas. I think it's 1 or 2 days after we get back. After we get back, I'm getting in my car with my dad, Papa Squatch. It's hilarious, I know. Papa Squatch, because it sounds like I'm saying Papa Squat. I love you, don't murder me on the way to there. But we're getting in the car, and we're going to Las Vegas, Nevada. Me and my dad for a few days. It's going to be fun. And there's lots of stuff that I want to... I want to vlog, but I can't. I mean, I could continue to vlog, but I can't edit it. I can't edit it. It's rough. It's rough. But I'm going to make it through. I'll make it through. There's lots... it's what I enjoy to do. And there's a lot more that I want to do with the computer, too. I'm starting a drone photography business. Drone photography, videography. Eventually gonna like do some photography. I'm maybe even later down the line figure out how to make commercials. I mean, there's endless possibilities that I'm working on, ladies and gentlemen. And I already got the business cards. Look at that. Look at that. The Squatch Entertainment Studios. I don't know if this is gonna be backwards or not. Guess we'll find out. Anyways, I'm working on stuff and I want you guys to join me. We're going to see how this video itself turns out because I'm recording it on my phone. I'm editing it. Editing. Is that right? I'm editing this video on my phone, rendering it, and uploading. I'm doing the whole shebang right here on my cellular device. Yes, I just called it a cellular device. I hope you enjoyed that. If you didn't, I got one for you. But hey, thanks for watching. Videos are coming. Stay tuned. We got a lot of cool shit going on. 2023. 2023 is going to be pretty killer. Just saying. Just saying. So thanks. And if you're not already a part of the Squatch family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Wherever it's at. So you can join the Squatch family. And let's freaking go. Am I going to see you guys later? Did you hit that button? Did you hit that button? Tell me you hit that button. Tell me. Do it. Hit it. Join the Squatch family. We're not a cult. Or are we? Or are we? Who knows? Stick around and find out. Stick around and find out. Stick around and find out. Stick around and find out.